Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to work with Slack. Working with Slack is all about efficient communication, smart collaboration, and keeping everyone on the same page. And here's how to work productively using Slack. Now let's start by following these instructions. The first instruction is to organize by channels. Now before you do that, you have to have the Slack application on your phone, mobile device, or computer. Now on your mobile device, whether you're using Android or iOS, just go to Play Store or App Store and then search for Slack and click on install. And once it's installed, click on open. And just like that, make sure you sign in using your account's credentials. Now on your PC, you can download the Slack app, or you can go to the www.slack.com and sign in there using your account credentials. Now once signed in, go to the app and then click on the plus button and create a channel for project, team, or goal. Let's click here, for example, marketing. Here I'm gonna click on next. Now here is you're gonna set the visibility. You can set public so anyone can access it, or private so only specific people with invites can access it. Click on create. And here you can add people by their email. Now you can add people here. And just like that, after adding people, you created a channel. You can also use threads to reduce clutter by hovering over a message, click and reply in thread to respond. This conversation is clean and easy to follow. You can also use Slack app and integrations. Integrate tools like Google Drive, Zoom, Trello, or GitHub by going to apps and then browse Slack's app directory. You can also share documents easily by uploading files, sharing cloud links, or commenting directly on docs. You can upload a file just by clicking on the here and then click on the plus button. And here you can choose what do you want, whether you want to attach a photo or upload a file. You can click on the upload a file option and you can browse through your files and select the file you want to upload. Now all your documents stay organized inside Slack. You can also schedule reminders and huddles by using the /remind to create a personal or team reminders, and use Slack huddles for quick voice chats, no link required. Working with Slack isn't just chatting, it's a full workspace for collaboration. By using threads, reminders, and integrations, you'll streamline your entire workflow. And use emoji reactions like the checkbox or the icon as simple status updates. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.